Hi, and welcome to the Field Prioritization training video for MappenMaven. Let's start with the project we imported in the Getting Started by Importing Project Data video. With the hundreds or even thousands of fields to manage in a field mapping effort, knowing the frequency of use of the fields is a great way to prioritize your effort. Let's use Field Prioritization to do just that. We'll go to Workspace View and Field Prioritization. What we're looking at is the fields that occur in at least two sources. If we sort by the total number of sources, even in descending order, we see that maybe looking at fields that occur in at least three sources would be more interesting. So let's do that. We'll change the min occurrences to 3 and we'll apply the filter. And we can sort in the way that we like. This is also where the source types of report, standard, and DW schema can help. Let's look at this view based on the report type. We'll apply the filter again, and now we see that 4 fields are used on 3 different reports. So we know right away which fields are used most frequently on reports. By clicking on a field, and let's go for product category, we can see the sources in which this field lives. Further, if we click on the ETL rules column for one of the sources, we can see all the rules by field for that source. Let's close this, and let's also note that we can click on the ETL rules for the field itself. So this shows all of the ETL rules for that field in all of the sources for which it has a rule. How about that? In this case, the rules are consistent. So at the minimum, field prioritization can be used for identifying the most frequently used field as input for prioritization, and it can be used to quickly audit the rules in place for a single source or field. And if you're ready to go back to the regular view, you'll just go Workspace View and Field Mapping. If you haven't already, use the Field Prioritization view to see how it can help you speed up your data mapping effort. Thank you so much for joining today's video. Have a wonderful day and happy mapping!